Yes. Family, na good morning, oh. Na so Teya Baskits come this morning at the studio. They kind of smile. I they tell you, Teya Baskits say happy this morning. He say 1:40 on morning. Teya Baskits say they greet you now from every part of life. Yes, he say they greet you now from everywhere. Wherever you get some clear this morning. Any side you there this morning. Yes, Teya Baskits say 1:40 Cabo and good morning to you. Teya Baskits say this is another edition. This is another week. Yes, the first day inside the week, yes. Teya Baskits say 1:40 pleasant morning to all the listeners there. He say make una tamba and then on radio. He say this edition it can better one. He say presenter, he say I just smile. He say I'm having a smile on face. Yes. But stay tuned this morning, waiting Teya Baskits come. Yes. You get for look inside the basket and go at the headlines there. Waiting Teya Baskits come with for you this morning. Now wait make them tell you. Now for then you radio sets. This is not a favorite program where they come to you. Now Jala University Radio. Right from Monday to Friday every day. Yes. The program where they tell you about the bad thing the way they happen. The program where they compliment the good thing the way they happen. Yes. The program titled Teya Baskits. The basket way not the leak. Yes. Stay tuned this morning. We go quick inside the baskets. For good at the headlines they are this morning. Teya Baskits this morning inside the headlines. Yes, he said Beckett and they inside the headlines this morning. What's happen? What's not happen? Stay tuned for that one day this morning, yeah? Yes. Teya Baskits say also, he said Mokondo youth and they inside the baskets this morning. Mokondo youth and they inside the baskets, yeah? Yes. Teya Baskits say also, he said Teya my youth and they inside the baskets this morning. I did tell you. Teya Baskits say this one, I did tell you. Teya Baskits come again. He said the power get the country self inside the basket this morning. The power, yes. Not all that power, the power get the country. Yes. Teya Baskits say the pastor said inside the basket this morning. Teya Baskits say again. He say Moyamba district inside the basket, yeah? Yes. Teya Baskits say he says sanitation and teenage pregnancy. Now this and this the basket come with me this morning. What I did tell you. Teya Baskits why they give the headlines and see don't you me just a smile. Anyway. Teya Baskits say that is how I do things. He say one for see the betterment of this nation. He say as long as I live, he say I must proclaim. Yes, I must proclaim the things I need to say out. Yes, of course, the one the way people there for your ear, for your ear. Teya Baskits say that one they are the talk They say are they talk the good one them. He say are they talk the bad one there. He say me not a one-sided person. He say where the good thing happen are they compliment them. He say where the wrong thing happen are they hit some better one. Yes. Teya Baskits say not afraid. In fact, he say waiting they in stand for. He say stand for the truth. Yes. He say he get God, he believe God. He say they walk towards the trend where God they move with. Yes. He say not afraid, they talk. Yes. Quick one. Let me take the stories inside the basket. Yeah. Yes. Teya Baskits say Beckett. Teya Baskits say Beckett today na last day. He say Beckett for done today. Yes. Teya Baskits say one for first of all he say one for tell all the Beckett students and thank you. Yes. Teya Baskits say one for compliment the efforts, the time where they take. Yes. For 6 years the Beckett come to end. Teya Baskits say one for compliment the teachers. Yes. We act in the capacity of invigilators, supervisors. Yes. They say one for compliment the efforts them. Say one for tell all boku thank you. Teabaski say one for tell all thank you. All the heads of schools. Yes. It's even the policeman them will be near them. Yes. The Red Crossers them. Teabaski say one for compliment the all efforts. It's a more especially in Ajala. Yes. It's a more especially. Teabaski say this why they call the school in him. It's because happy because maybe they see things they happen. It's a more especially university secondary school. Yes. It's a the exam they go on very good. Yes. Teabaski say go take move the 1, 2, 3 10. It's in fact Red Crossers them be then a door for in case of any emergency. Yes. It's a and the police them be there around. It's a and when you go around there, it's say the people they all be the yes they follow the precautions of the COVID-19 development. Yes, Teabaski say he said that one day he said happy for that one day better one. He said because he go to the school 1, 2, 3 he see the people them they follow the COVID-19 precautions. Yes, he said one for compliment the effort. Yeah, he said to all the schools they were not reach, but he see all the schools they were not reach. Yes, but then follow the COVID-19 measures them. Teabaski say one for compliment to the effort. Yes, but Teabaski say even inside the Beke, he say inside Jala, he say around Bafiteya. Teabaski say look like one study group he did it. He say but that study group they tell like na be lovers garden. Teabaski say not for the happen so bo. Teabaski say not for the happen so. I they tell you, he just they tell me that he say Mr. Presenter, he said the 10 will be the seat they cannot also be video. He said well now when you look like the study group them say some study group and they tell you he said that one then a lovers garden. Na lovers meeting, I they tell you na tutu. He said the talking the boku pass the study. Hey, Teabaski said this law they take caution. He said that one the way can call the study group them. He said some man they call study group, you know they able for monitor them. Some man they call study group, you know they even did in a net. Yes, Teabaski said not for the happen so bo. He said we the help the begin them. If you say we the help them, we help them throughout. He said dear. Teabaski said this why I just want hit man, I just want touch light in the polish on them. He said that for tomorrow. Yes. Why make salon no they go? Because the Yuki na into boku. One grandma want eat 10,000 you wanna. Can you imagine? They don't give 10,000 for 5 people there. You want get one fere, you want kapua, you want mondoa, and they tell you want give one male eater. And they tell you this one a total corruption. How salon go? And they tell you, and they tell you, Teabaski say, he say, Mokone youths, he say one for compliment to our efforts. Yes. He say don't they see from the past months them. He say Mokone youths they can try. Yes. He say every Saturday they say that they do cleaning. He said that one is a very good thing. He said in fact right now it don't make boku of the road there inside Mokonde. Yes, some of them don't motorable, yes. Because they don't at least they don't try for arrange them smaller. When we say bike go pass now, motorman go waka. Yes, even motor go pass. Teabaski say one for compliment the efforts of Mokonde youth them, yeah. He say make una keep the good work going. And he said through the effort of the councillor of 44/7. Yes. Then a councillor and his Genda Sama. Where we get for supply some tools them to the youth them. And say he want for appreciate yes more the youth them. And say they really they make use of those tools. They're not just all and go lay them. They make use of those tools. Yes. He say one for tell all boku thanky. He say even see this Saturday they don't go to the Bengon and start for they do the cleaning day. Yes. Teabaski say that one day one for tell more the youth them boku thanky. He say make una keep the good work going. Teabaski say that one they appreciate and let una for that. Yeah. Teabaski say now sorry for the apple. He say if you don't get anything for give somebody, he say not cry I'm down. You not get money for give me. You not get rest for give me. They cry me down back. Hey, boy. We get for the compliment one another's efforts. That's what Taya Basket say, not to me talker. He said when somebody do good, he said praise them. He said by complimenting the person, he said they get appetite for doing more. He said but not for crying down. Taya Basket say a glad informer on the YouTube. He said make una keep the good work going. Yes. Taya Basket say that one day not done there. He said Taya my youth. I did tell you. He said look like from where they supply the tools, it's like then I lay the layer on our waiting. Taya Basket say look like Taya my youth them. The cleaning and all they happen to the way for the happen now. I did tell you. Taya Basket say both Taya man na the chiefdom headquarter town. He say in fact now we for the copy from there. Taya Basket say that now more conde for the copy from Tiama. I did tell you. He said because then at the highway. And despite that, then at the chiefdom headquarter. I did tell you, who's at the PCC though? Who say other stakeholders them there? He said, but it look like the youths they're not too vibrant and accurate. Yes. Taya Basket say not for the happen sobo. He said the youths them una bakuna the tongue. He said una need for come together as one. This not of politics. Taya Basket say Lord just look at small Mokonde. Yes, though they struggle, but at least they are doing some effort. Yes. Taya Basket said this one not of politics. Now this color, then that color. No. He said this not for the development of the town. Yes. He said do you una need for come together. I did tell you. He said let the argument stop. Because Taya Basket said then I want to forum the way you see the youth say that's also argument some of big man talk there. I did tell you. Taya Basket said that's so bodo talk there. They talk about Cooper's the action. Can you imagine? I did tell you. Taya Basket said dear Taya my youth them. He said I think it's high time we wake up. Wake up from the sleep. Yes sir. Taya Basket say we need to wake up and become active. Say this also time for begin sit down no more. He said when we want let other people that can help we let we self start the help. You know go let person can help you there, you know meet you they do nothing. No, you know they happen. So dear Taya my youth. Yes sir. Say youth are the consciousness. Taya Basket say dear Taya my youth. He said time to wake up. Yes, I did tell you. Taya Basket say, he said Taya my youth. He said do you allow we wake up? He said the main streets and some streets and they're not even make fine. That is some bushy. I did tell you. He said but Dobo, he said let we come together. Let we walk as one. For he said the chiefdom, the district and the country grow and develop as one. You know that's you one thing. Everybody gets a role where they play towards development. Taya Basket say now you can I play so towards development. Yes. Taya Basket say now you can I do so for let the country develop. He said now you work this night they do. He said everybody get in your work way they do. He said and everybody in your work important towards the development of this mama salon. Yes. He said so dear. He said now come together and I begin all meeting and begin schedule. Yes, how for start the cleaning proper one. At least every Saturday now 1 hour self that not enough. Yes. At least that go far. That's what Taya Basket say. He said an idea no more just they give some man them. I did tell you. Say because some man can the idea they lost. Taya Basket say one give idea no more. Say but this if na meeting say a lot guy call meeting first. And Taya Basket say this one you need to look at majority. He say when they start something not everybody they come on board at all. He say now even 5 man starter yes. He say all they did the tools and they say because the council be don't donate tools yes. Say that one they struggle not they buy again. I they tell you. Taya Basket say dear boy. He say let man and follow up this idea. You ain't listen. He say if it's a any youth where they tell man. He say just corner and no more catch. He say but now so Taya Basket too. So at least he say let una put S together. I they tell you. Taya Basket come against the basket yes. Another detail again. He said the power get the country. The power himself. I they tell you the number one man. The man. I they tell you the guru. I they tell you. He said the power get the Yes. And the power where they near the mommy, I they tell you. As we all be know say the power not been there. Say Abaski say but this why John want rob much the small. He say no say the power antique, you know say man for talk too much yonder. I they tell you. Say Abaski say the power come back healthy one. He say the power return back healthy and stronger. Say Abaski say the power come. I they tell you. I pave. I they tell you. I pave the paron come. Say Abaski say that one day he say just a smile. He say you know what he mean when the paron king day. He say that one they not happy. He say because if the paron day some certain and the paron go will act on them. He say king glad the way the parking day inside in tongue. Yes. He say glad the way the paron come. He say because when the paron come so. Therefore come it's more issues at hand. Yes. He say you know say the paron get for work towards that. But say Abaski say one of the things that we happy but when the paron it on. He said the party is on with 130 people who don't release from Lebanon. I they tell you. Hey, Abaski said the party try. He said the party try me. Abaski said try, yeah. He said the party try. I they tell you. 130 people the party go release them from Lebanon. Until we all know how some man can just travel no more. The illegal immigrants them, yes. But Abaski said the pie not go Lebanon for that yo. He said that there. He said na people there, yes. He said despite what na me people there. He said I not for left there na me people them. He said and can you imagine they all get for karma. Then they come bit by bit, yes. The parents sort that one day out, and they tell you, hey, the pie better way the mammy than yara. And you all know now, better ways where you get strong woman yara man. And you all know when a man there okay understand. When you get one better woman, better past 50 heads. Yes. Say because one game better head. Where they near you. The Bible says it I say woman I help mate. They say because we won't forget to remember Ebo Brana, so not forget this year. Until we all know and they tell you. Abaski say one for compliment the efforts of the bar. They say the bar try. They say the bar that side they do good work. Abaski say he hope and pray. He say that God will continue for touch the pie hearts. And that God will continue for direct the power for they do the right thing. Say Abaski say happy for that one day, huh? Say Abaski say that one day glad for him. He say they talk. I say him he don't talk. I say where the good thing they happen with the talker, yes. He say this one not of politics. Say Abaski say let people not mix and about politics. He say because you know I do. He say get what they remember about her. Yes. He say all what you want see now the development of this nation. Yes. He say so that side they let us not mix ourselves. He say they talk what they go on the right way. Yes. He they talk and they praise them. Say the pie try. Yes. He say and the panel only try with the strong iron lady. Yes. Say the Mamina power. Yes. Say the corner them two go. Yes. He said that one they try. I they tell you. Say Abaski you see me they smile this morning inside the studio. I they tell you. Yo, na that thing that I count this morning. I they tell you. When you see they smile so. I they tell you. Yes. Say basket come again this morning. Inside the basket. He say one for compliment the efforts of the government also. Say basket say when they talk about the government now. They say this one they mix them, they mix them. They say this one a collaborative one. Say Abaski say one for compliment the efforts of the power and in government. Yes. And they tell you. He said, can you imagine the long-awaited Moyamba districts they can't get light? Hey. Say Abaski say nothing no make way gladdy. He say no wonder we can't see them at the studio. They smile no more. He say brady so until they're happy. He say because can you imagine Moyamba babe Moyamba. He say Moyamba the olden days of Moyamba. He say Moyamba they can't get light. And they tell you. Say Abaski say maybe that they go reduce. And they tell you the kind you kill kitty in the way can happen inside Moyamba the street. You know, so it's a darkness there. And they tell you now they back in and they happen. And they tell you. Say Abaski say that one day. He He said when them put her inside the list same more about this street, they part of the light. Tabaski said that day they dance, they dance. He said one for compliment the effort of the power. He said the power, you don't that side the back, you don't try. He said really one for compliment the effort of the power. He said can you imagine Mwamba they can get light. He said when Mwamba get light, we expect Mwamba for get revival. He said because Mwamba the road don't quota. Then now light they can follow. Hey, Mwamba after this we will catch you again. Tabaski say after this if Mwamba will catch you again. And they tell you say that one they not go good for talk. So because the pie don't try for Mwamba the streets. Yes. Say light they come Mwamba the streets very soon. Tabaski say the project starts. He said they don't fund half of the project. Yes. Through the Ministry of Finance. Yes. And they tell you. They don't donate them to the Minister of Energy. And they tell you for enforce the work. Tabaski say, is it not to even more about this street? Or is it a lot of these streets they get for can't get light? And they tell you. But Tabaski say, no more about these streets not considered. But yes, he said that one day 99 priority. He said because now they more inky operates. He said now they operate. He said glad for more about these streets. Yes. He said can you imagine more about the streets of all time? Yes. All in this Mwamba the streets, they can't get lights. The clock tower, they can't get lights. I tell you. That one kind time clock tower inside Mwamba tongue. I tell you. I tell you. Tabaski said this was a floppy month. He said glad it's a floppy month. He said can you imagine? He said Mwamba they can't get lights. He said the batting and they can't run away now. He said because that darkness kid and they batting they happen. He said but now they can't do any light. Tabaski say Papa government I tell you boku thank you. He said continue for do the good work. I they tell you. He said continue the good work, yeah. Tabaski come this morning. He said sanitation. He said cleanliness is next to godliness. Tabaski say cleanliness is next to godliness, yeah? He says sanitation. He said it's high time. Yes, we clean the environment, yeah? Can you imagine someone get confidence for live without dirty, yeah? Tabaski say someone get confidence, so he said what take him money on this one? He said not for you, now the one that where they near you. Let you not left by your negligence you want, then you cause havoc to the other person. He said because if you allow dirty water for the set to the compound and accommodate mosquito, he said that mosquito not for you no more go cow. I tell you. He said that mosquito get for affect the next person. Yes. He said if you keep grass and your snake can hide inside the other animals and can hide inside the other insects and hide inside the. He said not so you want to go affect, so they affect the next person where they near you. Tabaski said that make it they tell you say like they clean. He said go they clean the environment, clean the compound. He said someone will get toilets and also some toilet they not even get the mouth. Can you imagine? He said some toilets not even get the mouth. Hey. He said I saw the Friday they dance inside there, they tell you. Hey, Tabaski said not for the happen so He said dear, let me enforce cleanliness our communities them. Let me enforce cleanliness our compound there. Let me enforce cleanliness our neighborhood. Let me enforce cleanliness our villages. Yes, he said some road they don't bushy and they tell you. He said some road they not good for talk. Tabaski said dear. He said dear, that one they say they beg you. Tabaski said they talk to you that one day. He said dear, let we clean we environment them. Let we clean we places them, yeah? Tabaski said they talk to you on that one day. Say cleanliness is next to godliness. Dear. Tabaski said that one day, dear. I said they talk to you like clean the environment. Teenage pregnancy. Until we all know say the Mamina power that na the number one woman, the iron lady where they represent the nation. It is strong one behind hands of our girls. Can you imagine? Some man are 40 years in Bele big, so they won't be 17 years old picking. And they tell you total foolishness to the highest degree. Can you imagine? Hey, Tabaski said, dear. He said that part. He said, but left rabbit Kimbo, he said, I picking. He say call Ale advice. I say if I help Ale grow in life, yes. So we're not so for falaga. And they tell you, say some my also it be a small picking. Abaski say dia. He say dia. Say Abaski say not for the happen so bo. He said, we were in the habit for just to go and lick them, picking them belly no more, licking them belly. Can you imagine? Somebody just licking them belly no more, licking them belly, and able responsible self. I did tell you. Some always here, get past 4 picking there. Every watch you picking or just go lick them belly and destroy them future. Can you imagine? Somebody know they married there. Somebody know they take care of them. Say Abaski say not for the happen so bo. He said, but this one I keep open palm. Yes. He said they wait for any teenage pregnancy. He said if I ain't get for the pass way see picky we get belly. He said they make sure they find out. He said Tankara one day they below 18 years. He said that person they go crobber. Yes. He said because boy not gonna go destroy because they below 18 years. He said in fact one thing we kimono is anybody they below 18 years. In thinking power not be the same with you we don't pass 18. We don't pass 20, they friend 30 to 40. Can you imagine? I they tell you, not get confused by his structure or in shape. A big full go there. I they tell you, say Abaski say not for the happen so bo. He said that we were in the habit for violence the woman there. Yes. But if you all let that thing be happen, he say Pastor I go grip you. Like we be happen inside Mokonde. Like I say Abaski say that one they still they follow up inside Mokonde. How the guy go grab, he go, you know, he want grip the baby, one feta. No more for let it happen. No, but enough for happen so. Even if you're human, enough for happen so. So Abaski said that one day they follow up him. He said, dear, that we left for the assault there. Yes. Enough for the happen. He said enough for the happen so that one day, That this and this video inside the basket for you this morning, yes. For in case you just join we, this not a basket. The basket where not the leak. The basket where they tell you but you know where they happen cuts across the nation. The basket where they condemn the bad acts. The basket where they compliment the good thing where they happen. I they tell you. Say a basket say for the benefit of you just to join them. They say get for go over the headlines and back quick one, yeah. They say because you know let go talk with you, not talk. He say if we go talk with you, not talk. He say that one they know they scared self. He say all with you talk, you not afraid. I they tell you. Anyway, that's what Abaski do. I they tell you. Abaski be talking this morning. Inside the basket, he talk about Beke. He say Beke they done today. They done today. Yes. He say a compliment the effort of the student and for study, for take them time for sit the exam. He say the teachers and we take the role of vigilators, supervisors, yes, coordinators. Abaski say compliment the efforts. He say even to the policeman them, he say compliment the efforts. Yes. He say even to the Red Crossers them, especially in a university secondary school. Abaski say go see Red Crossers and they outside. He say he see the all they follow the COVID-19 precautions them. Yes. Abaski say compliment the efforts. Abaski touch small. He say but the study group there inside the tongue. He say more especially one day around Bafiteria. Abaski say that one day be feel like na lovers garden. Abaski say not for the happen so. He say we where they call and study group them. We not say that one and then are picking them because they expect anybody they sit back and are picking, yes. And indeed not picking. Say so we get for the monitor them and supervise them. Not get for the left them so yeah. So dear, let we take notes.